impossible became possible. The Alpine military highway was completed. I bet you didn't know. You're right now a true veteran of World War II. Little Dollywood is proud of all veterans of all branches of service, and our thoughts and prayers go out to those on active duty today. Coming up on the right, that green building on the right, a brand new ride opens in spring of this year, NightFlight Expedition. It's the first of its kind in America. It's a water ride and coaster ride all rolled into one, and it's all indoors. Engine 70 was retired. And in 1977, the East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City purchased her. And that's what she became known as Cinderella. Hey, look for right up there, where's Engineer Bradley up there? Come on, everybody, get sent up, wave at Bradley, wave at him. Cinderella is making it through the evolution of the park from Silver Dollar City to the present day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. Get back to life and enjoy the scenic wonders of the Foothills River Smokies. Listen to the engine as it goes up the mountain. It goes both forwards and backwards. No drops, just fast moving curves. Only have to be 39 inches tall to get on that ride. It goes about 34.5 miles an hour. That big blue one behind is called the Wild Eagle. Wild Eagle takes you up 21 stories. Drops you 13 stories into a giant 110-foot loop with speed projections of 60 miles an hour. It might be the most exciting 2 minutes and 22 seconds we have in the park this afternoon. Show of hands, who's been on the Wild Eagle? All right, 6 people, great. Show of hands, who's not even going to get on that Wild Eagle? Oh my goodness. The feathers are flying everywhere. I'm going that Wild Eagle merchandise shop down there. Get yourself a big old bright yellow t-shirt and it says, man, I barely got that joke out. Sometimes these jokes are unbearable. That orange roller coaster on the right is off Big Bear Mountain Coaster. Top speed 48 miles an hour, goes behind a waterfall, over the top of a waterfall through a tunnel. 3 separate launches. You'll have to be 39 inches tall to get on the ride. It's the longest coaster ride in the park at about 3/4 of a mile long. It's called Big Bear Mountain Coaster, located at Wildwood Road. On the right, Wilderness Pass, we'll talk a little bit more about that.